Forget about self-driving cars in 2024. Your AI therapist might give you better life advice than your mom. AI might design houses so cool they'll make architects cry. And you can question yourself. Will humans become obsolete? Probably not. But the future is about to get wild. Get ready for 10 mind-blowing breakthroughs that will make you say, "Whoa, AI can do that?" And here we go. Number 1. AI whispers your deepest secrets. Feeling stressed? Forget spilling your guts to a stranger on the internet. Therapy is going digital. Imagine an AI therapist that analyzes your voice patterns and word choices, picking up on subtle emotional cues that even a human therapist might miss. These systems can detect shifts in tone, hesitation, or specific word patterns that signal anxiety, sadness, or unresolved issues. Think of it as a superpowered therapist, helping you unpack your baggage more efficiently. Companies like MindStrong Health are already pioneering this technology. They're using AI to analyze speech patterns for indications of mental health conditions. This raises the question, will AI ever replace human therapists entirely? Probably not. AI can be a powerful tool, but that human empathy and understanding will remain essential. The future of therapy is likely a hybrid. AI can streamline the initial diagnosis, provide ongoing support, and make therapy more accessible to those who need it. But that deep human connection is still irreplaceable. Number 2, brainwaves become commands. Remember those awesome mind control helmets in sci-fi movies? Well, get ready for a lighter, less invasive version. Imagine AI interfaces that pick up on subtle brain signals, allowing you to control your devices with just a thought. No more fumbling for remotes or tapping away on touchscreens. Just think change channel and voila, imagine the possibilities, especially for people with disabilities. This could open up new ways to interact with technology, communicate, and regain independence. Companies like Neuralink are actually experimenting with implantable brain-computer interfaces. While still in its early stages, it's mind-blowing to think about. There's even the potential, way down the line, to use this kind of tech to text without typing, or perhaps even have telepathic-like communication directly with another person. Just a thought, though, before you start practicing your Jedi mind tricks. This technology has a long way to go and raises ethical questions we need to address. But there's no doubt, the way we interact with the world around us is about to change in fascinating ways. Number 3, AI creates your dream home. Tired of scrolling through endless Pinterest boards for home design inspiration? AI is here to take the reins. Imagine an AI system that analyzes your family's needs, lifestyle, and even your artistic preferences to generate a completely customized house plan. We're talking dream kitchens, energy-efficient layouts, and spaces perfectly tailored for how you live, work, and play. No more cookie-cutter homes. But it goes beyond just looks. AI designers could prioritize your well-being. Think rooms flooded with mood-boosting natural light, sound dampening for maximum focus in a home office, or air filtration systems optimized for those with allergies. This truly personalized design takes home, sweet home, to a whole new level. The future could even be adaptive. Your AI-designed home might adjust to you over the years, expanding a workspace as your career evolves, or creating a calming, sensory-friendly room as children grow. Imagine the possibilities. Your very own AI-powered sanctuary that grows and changes alongside your family. Number 4, AI, your ultimate coach. Forget Tony Horton. AI is about to become your ultimate workout guru. Imagine a personal coach that not only analyzes your fitness goals, but understands how your body moves. Using your smartwatch or even a camera, AI could track your form, offering instant feedback like a real trainer. No more risking injury due to bad posture. These AI coaches won't be limited to the gym. Imagine AI systems optimizing your running route based on terrain and your past performance, or suggesting the perfect yoga routine to de-stress after a long day. And the best part? AI can tailor everything to your schedule and energy levels in real time. No more excuses about not having enough time. Of course, this raises the question, will AI personal trainers replace human ones? Maybe for some, but it could also help human trainers expand their reach, offer new services, and use AI-generated data to provide even better guidance. Number 5, AI, your digital guardian. AI could also be your ultimate digital bodyguard, with systems becoming incredibly adept at detecting phishing scams, online predators, and suspicious activity. Think of it as your digital guardian angel, keeping you safe in the wild west of the internet. Imagine AI analyzing subtle patterns in emails, instantly flagging not just obvious scams, but those personalized to sound like they're from someone you know. Or AI monitoring your child's online activity, alerting you to potentially harmful interactions without invading their privacy. While there are ethical considerations around AI monitoring, the potential is huge. In a world where cybercrime is constantly evolving, AI could be our best defense, protecting our finances, personal data, and even our mental well-being. Number 6, AI for the everyday. Get ready for a world where AI makes life smoother in countless little ways. Picture lights adjusting to your mood, fridges that reorder groceries before you run out, even traffic systems that make rush hour a thing of the past. Think beyond your home. AI could transform entire cities. Imagine traffic lights that adapt to traffic flow in real time, cutting down on congestion and pollution. Or smart power grids that balance energy loads, preventing blackouts and making renewable energy sources more efficient. The potential is endless, and it's not just about convenience. AI streamlining everyday tasks and systems could free up our time, improve our quality of life, and even benefit the planet. Number 7, AI supercharging science. From medicine to space exploration, AI could be the key to the next big scientific breakthroughs. Imagine AI designing safer experiments, analyzing mountains of data to find patterns humans would miss, or optimizing energy systems to tackle climate change. In the medical field, AI could revolutionize drug discovery, speeding up the identification of potentially life-saving compounds. Researchers are already using AI to analyze protein structures, which could lead to breakthroughs for diseases like Alzheimer's. And let's not forget space. AI-powered systems could help us analyze vast amounts of telescope data to discover new planets or design more efficient spacecraft to explore our solar system and beyond. Number 8, AI solving the aging puzzle. Will 80 become the new 50? While reversing aging entirely might be a stretch for 2024, AI could revolutionize our understanding of the aging process. We're talking about breakthroughs in extending healthy lifespans. Let's just hope AI doesn't invent a real-life Benjamin Button potion. AI could help researchers analyze massive datasets of genetic and lifestyle information to pinpoint the factors that influence aging at a cellular level. This could lead to personalized treatments or preventative measures that slow down the biological clock. While the idea of radical life extension might be controversial, even small steps in extending our healthy years would have a massive impact on society and quality of life. Number 9, accessible AI for all. AI shouldn't just be for tech wizards. Expect user-friendly tools that put the power of AI in everyone's hands. Imagine drag-and-drop interfaces that let you build your own AI assistant, even if you can't code. Businesses of all sizes could benefit from this. No-code AI platforms are already popping up, allowing shop owners to create chatbots to improve customer service or helping restaurants analyze data to optimize their menus. The potential for creativity is also huge. AI-powered tools could allow anyone to generate realistic images, compose music, or write different kinds of content with just a few prompts, democratizing creativity in exciting new ways. Number 10, the power of synthetic data. Privacy is important, but data fuels AI. That's where synthetic data comes in. AI will get better at learning from datasets that don't contain real user info, solving privacy concerns, and unlocking even greater potential. Synthetic data is artificially generated data that mimics the patterns and characteristics of real-world data. This has huge implications. It could allow researchers to train medical AI models without compromising patient privacy, or let self-driving car systems practice on endless simulated scenarios. While synthetic data has limitations, it's advancing rapidly. Soon, AI might be able to learn from datasets that were never collected from real people in the first place, opening up new frontiers of innovation without compromising our personal information. So, which of these AI breakthroughs scares you the most, and which makes you secretly want to live in a sci-fi movie? Battle it out in the comments, and don't forget to smash that subscribe and like button for more mind-blowing AI updates.